Hey, everybody. I'm Brett Hepner, and this is Eric Rice, and we're the Property Dads, and we're coming to you today with our first attempt at Wednesday Friendsday.
Whoa, I'm a sucker for a catchy title, let me tell you. So we're here today with Allie Conway, loan originator with Keystone Mortgage. Hello, Allie.
Hello, hello.
And so why don't we start with this very simple question. Just tell us about yourself, tell us what you do and who you're with and all that kind of thing. You've got 30 seconds, go.
Okay. Ooh, that's a lot of time. No, I'm Allie Conway. I do work at Keystone Mortgage, and I have been a loan originator for about 2-3 years. I can't remember. 2 or 3 years now. I can't remember. But the reason I got into lending, I get asked that a lot, is I really wanted a job that I could serve and meet the needs of the people in my community. And I thought, what better way than helping them with the biggest purchase of their life in buying a home? I think that's pretty great that you and I get to play a big part in that. And so that's how I got into it. And I'm just really thankful that I get to meet all sorts of people and help them purchase their dream home. I think that's really special. So yeah, that's about me.
Yeah, good answer. I agree. And we get, a lot of the same thing. We get the kind of the first part of it, and then people ask us a lot of different questions that we have to kind of defer to you. One of which is, how much down payment do I need? I don't think I can afford a house. What do you think about that?
Yeah. So usually that's like the first question I get every single time is, do I have to put 20% down? I don't have that much money to put down. And the answer is there are so many options that we can pair you with. Anywhere from 3% down to 20% down and more, or we do offer no down payment options as well. And so where I come in is figuring out, what do your finances look like? How much can you afford, and how much can you afford to put down? And what program does that, does best suit your needs at this point in time? So yes, that's a really common question. So yeah, 3% down, 5% down, 10% down. I mean, it's all across the board, and it's really my job to figure out what's best for you and what you feel most comfortable with.
So really tailored to the individual. Well, so kind of along those lines, we know just about enough to be dangerous about lending. So that's why we defer to you folks. But you mentioned a lot of different options. So what are you seeing? What's maybe the most popular type of lending product that you use today?
Most popular is definitely going to be a conventional loan. Typically, conventional loans are set up for your clients who have really great credit, good stable income, and it is tailored more towards that type of client. Now, is that a popular product? Absolutely. But do I have 3 other products that fit tons of other people's needs? Absolutely. So we have an FHA loan. So I have a lot of clients who life happened and maybe credit isn't great anymore and they had financial hardships. Well, there's still a program that fits that person's needs to help them so that they can have a home as well. So that would be your FHA loan. I've done several of those. We have a VA loan tailored towards veterans, which is 100% financing. And then in your all's area, a really prevalent one that we do as well is the USDA loan, which is 100% financing, very popular loan product because it's a really great program if you can qualify for it. There is income restrictions you guys know about, and so if you could qualify for it, that's a really wonderful program as well. And we do a lot of USDA loans too.
Great. Yeah. So it sounds like, anywhere from nothing down to much as you can afford down, they need to tailor their loan to their particular.
Yeah.
That's, I guess, why a good piece of advice is talk to your lender first before you even maybe come talk to us. Right?
Yes. That is the biggest piece of advice I ever give anybody is thank you for calling me first, because I would hate for you to go out and look at homes and you don't know if you're approved for it. You fall in love with a home and you can't afford it, or whatever program you're trying to do doesn't fit that home's eligibility. And so, it's super important to come to me first to save time and emotions for everybody involved. So
great call. Okay, so and so we've come to the point of the program where we ask the most, hard-hitting, important questions. And so this week it's, what's on your Christmas list, Allie?
Well, I told my husband to not give me anything, which I never do. I don't know.
That's the kiss of death right there.
Horrible advice.
Listen,
No.
let me just tell you something, husband. That he did not mean that, okay?
No.
I'm just telling you right now. All right, go ahead.
That's
People
what we
make
do.
that mistake.
Nothing. And it's your job to read through the lines.
That's
And
exactly.
we can get mad though if you still don't get the right thing. No, I'm just kidding. Totally kidding.
He's watching what's really on the list.
Right.
What's really on the list? I did tell him that I wanted a pair of hiking boots. Hard to believe I don't own a pair with all the time I spend on the trails. I don't own a pair of hiking boots, and he's had a pair for years. And so every time we go hiking, I'm like, slipping everywhere. So I said, it'd be nice to have hiking boots. And then it was one of those, I was like, don't give me anything. And then I gave him like 5 things because I was thinking I would like this.
I know. We need help.
Yes.
I understand that.
So other than that, though, yeah, the hiking boots was number 1 on my list this year.
Good.
So yeah.
We enjoyed our time with you, Allie, and
Yeah.
Will Hefner, Eric Rice, Allie Conway. Hey, don't forget, just check us out on Facebook. Make sure you follow us, and go follow Allie at Keystone Mortgage on Facebook as well. Anything else you want to say in part?
No, that's it. If you have any questions, call me, of course. I'm a big book of resource. So
Awesome.
yeah.
Holidays.
Thanks for your time, Allie.
All right. Thank you.